Hey, it's Ben here, and I want to show you the most powerful traffic tool this year called Social Kickstart. And this is not just to get traffic to your own web properties and build your fan page, but this is something that other businesses really need that this software can do as a service. Now, this is a software to get traffic from Facebook and help build Facebook fan pages and groups. It can do things like find engaging content from other Facebook groups, Instagram, YouTube, top memes around the internet, and a lot more to post on your fan pages. It allows you to manage all your fan pages from one interface, along with all scheduling options and updates. It can give and monitor insights like shares, likes, the ability to reply to comments quickly, and a lot more really cool stuff. But first, before we get started, and I explain and demo what this very powerful Facebook traffic tool can do, there's a lot of so-called Facebook experts saying that Facebook is dead or there's no organic reach anymore. But here's the truth about Facebook organic reach and what Facebook's doing. The organic reach did change. That's the truth, but it didn't just suddenly disappear. Instead, Facebook decided to start rewarding pages, fan pages, and different posts that were posting highly engaging content, and then decided to kill the reach of Facebook pages and groups that were just kind of posting garbage content that people didn't really want to share, interact with, that didn't really engage people. So naturally, a lot of people who were taking the easy route started complaining that Facebook now all of a sudden was dead, and while on the other hand, people who were posting relevant content to build their pages actually even got a bigger boost in traffic, and they just pretty much just stayed silent because why would you want to invite more competition towards something that's already giving you a lot of traffic and help building and managing fan pages, which are very valuable assets right now. And fan pages and Facebook groups are really becoming more important than ever. Due to not just the advanced custom audience thing that Facebook's implementing, but even more plans that Facebook allows you to do and target to get in front of all your fans and your fan pages. So it's kind of like having a second list you can use for your own pool of traffic to do things like get video views, send traffic to build your email list. But fan pages even go beyond just kind of email lists in a way, because the more you post to them, and if you post the right content and it's engaging content, you actually grow your fan page. Instead of say you have an email list and you mail to them, chances are more people are going to start to unsubscribe and your list will grow smaller. And Facebook groups are very important because they're one of the most important tools or properties for building your brand and establishing yourself as the authority guy in your industry, which is really what it's all about now. It's really this that's having some of the top marketers in the world like Brendan Burchard or Frank Kern. Now, Frank Kern's famously said that he doesn't do social, but if you watch what he's actually doing, it turns out he's really investing in his fan page and doing a lot of stuff on there, if you've ever checked that out. These top guys are investing heavily in their own fan pages and continuously posting content to them. Now, Social Kickstart is going to allow you to find proven content that's going to deeply engage fans and help build real responsive fans. And also, it's going to do it on autopilot with very advanced scheduling features. It's going to give deep insights and a lot more, like some very other cool features like Teespring Research and campaign discovery. So Mark Thompson, the co-founder of Social Kickstart, has shot a video for all of the viewers here explaining how to use some of the best features of Social Kickstart and how to get traffic from scratch and build fan pages from scratch with this software. But right before we get into that, though, I just want to mention that if you take a look at all the bonuses below, you're really going to be blown away by some of these that you can get in addition to Social Kickstart if you get the software from me only from my link. And I also highly recommend getting the lifetime option to Social Kickstart because, as you'll see, this is a software that Mark and others are heavily invested in improving and updating consistently. And this is the only time that they're going to be giving a lifetime price away for Social Kickstart. So it's kind of like lead pages where they're going to be billing each month, and they really want this to be like a SaaS monthly payment. But imagine like getting a very powerful software like Lead Pages or something like Social Kickstart for like a lifetime price, and you never have to pay monthly services or anything like that again. So make sure that you check out and get the lifetime option if you find Social Kickstart valuable and you think it can help your business. So that being said, let's get into the demo here, and this is Mark talking about how to use Social Kickstart from the beginning to build fan pages quickly and show you how to get traffic for free from Facebook.
Okay guys, so welcome inside of Social Kickstart. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to link all of your fan pages inside of the application, so then you can start researching content, posting it, scheduling content, and then I'm going to show you all the really cool tools and features that we've added inside of Social Kickstart. So what I'm going to do to get started, this is the dashboard. All you need to do is click on Create New Campaign. It's going to open up all of your different fan pages. All you need to do is just click on the fan pages that you want to import into Social Kickstart. Okay, so say that I wanted to, I'll open up a whole bunch of these here. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Create Campaign, and what it's doing is it's going to link all of those pages that I wanted to import right into the application. Okay, so now that they're loaded in, you can see the number of likes that the current fan page has. You can see the number of posts that are currently in the queue. So if you're going to be scheduling content, you can see how many posts you have currently in the queue, and then how many posts have been completed, okay, or actually posted to your fan page. You can also see the last time that the fan page was updated, and then you can also get insights in terms of how many fans you're growing over time. Okay, now what I can do is I can say that I want to focus on this Miami Heat fan page. Okay, I can click on View Campaign, and what it's going to do is it's going to show you all of your posts that you've done on your fan page. Okay, and it shows you almost like fan page analytics. It's going to show you the number of likes, the number of shares, the number of comments, the total reach, and the total engagement for each post that you publish onto your fan page. Okay, so really, really cool stuff. Now, another feature that we've built into this is as people are commenting, you can actually click on Reply to Comments, and it's going to load up any comments on that post. Now, what you can do, now maybe we can find one that's a little bit more engaging here. Let's go to this one has 3 comments here. I could select these people and I could post a mass comment to these people. Now this is great for list building. If people who are engaging with your content, you may want to say, hey, well, go sign up for some sort of a sweepstakes or a free giveaway that we're doing through our fan page. Go opt in. Okay, you can build your email list really, really fast that way. So this allows you to quickly respond to commenters very fast. Okay, now the bread and butter of this app is going to be the research and the publishing of content. Okay, which, as you guys know, in order to grow a fan page, you need to make sure that you're actively publishing on your site and that it's engaging content. What I can do is click Find Content, and now you can see I'm going to click on Miami Heat. Okay, I'm going to click on the fan page that I want to start publishing to, and we have different content sources that you can curate content from or do research. Now, right now we have 4 different sources. We have Facebook pages, Facebook groups, Instagram, and YouTube. Okay, now that's at the time of this recording. Okay, we're going to be adding Pinterest. We're also going to be adding an in-depth Mimi search. I know if you guys know what a Mimi search is, it's the photo with they usually have some sort of a headline over the image. Those go viral really, really easily. So what I'm going to do is in this example, I'm just going to do a Facebook pages search, and I'm going to put in Miami Heat, okay, because that's obviously what this page is targeted around, and it's going to go out to Facebook pages and find all of the relevant fan pages around whatever keyword that you put in. So now, as you can see, it's loading up all of those fan pages. It's showing you the total number of likes per fan page, the number of people talking about it, as well as the category. Okay, so I can go and look at all of the content that these fan pages are posting. Now I see this one here, this Miami Heat memes. I know that these go viral very, very easily. They have over 12,000 fans. I'm going to click on Get All Posts, and it's going to go out and it's going to grab all of the posts that they've done on their fan page. Okay, and now what I can do is I can see the update, I can see the number of likes and the number of comments per post, so I can see which content is really engaging and which is not. Okay, odds are if you find content that is engaging elsewhere and you go and you publish that same content on your fan page, or you tweak it a little bit, you're going to get the same type of response. Okay, so what I can do, here's this picture of LeBron James. He's picking his nose. They have this headline that says "Pick and Roll," 130 likes, 29 comments. And so what I can do, I can just publish the picture if I wanted to, or I can go in here and I can edit any of the content here. LeBron, is that you? They have this little picture of him as a child. And I could add click like if you like this photo, or something, whatever. You can edit it how you want to, but as you can see, there's been 146 likes and 14 comments. Now I can either post this right now, and it's going to post it with the image and the edited comments here, or post, or I can schedule this. Okay, I can schedule this for later. I could schedule this in July, say whenever, July 11th at 11 o'clock, and I can click on schedule. Okay, and it'll schedule and it'll post at that time. Now, as you can see, you can publish content extremely fast with this application, and this was just one way of finding content. Now, like I said, there are lots of different ways that you can search. I could search Instagram. Okay, I can click on search. And now what it's going to do is going to find all of the relevant Instagram profiles that I can go and curate content from. Okay, so now it's loading the fan pages, it's loading the total number of photos per user, followers, following, last time it was updated, and I can click on any of these here. So say that I want to click on this Instagram profile, and it's going to go out and it'll show you the number of likes, the number of comments, it'll show you the image, it'll show you what was published, and then you could also edit that, or you could also remove the image and put in something different if you wanted to. Okay, but just think of how easy it is to publish content onto Facebook now, and content that is going to go viral, right? Again, same things you can do with let me go back to find content and say that I wanted to do the same thing with YouTube. Okay, I can do the same thing with videos now. Okay, finding relevant YouTube videos and see which ones are being commented on. And now this is a little bit of a different view. You can see the total number of views per video, the number of likes, the number of dislikes, the number of comments. Okay, and you can embed a video right onto your fan page, and you can just see here what again is going viral and what is not. Okay, and I could post this right now if I wanted to. Okay, and boom, there it is, and it's done. So it's really, really fast. And what I can do now, I can go back to posts, and I can see everything that's been published. I can see everything that's being scheduled. Okay, so say that I wanted to go to my Miami Heat page. Okay, and here you go. You can see that I just published this video. Okay, to my fan page. Okay, if I click on schedule, it's going to flip over. It's going to show you everything that's in your queue to go out, and it'll tell you when it's supposed to go out, and it'll show you the image and what you wrote. Okay, so that is how the publisher works. Okay, again, it's curating content from other sources where we know it's viral content, because we can see what people are sharing, what people are liking, what people are commenting on. And this is what's going to help grow your fan page exponentially. Okay, now a few other things that I wanted to show you. Okay, we also have this tools section. Okay, the tools section, we're adding new tools into this on an ongoing basis. Okay, the first one is our Teespring research tool. Okay, I could put in again a keyword that's relevant. If you guys are not familiar with Teespring, Teespring is a great way to monetize your fan pages with T-shirts. Okay, T-shirt campaigns where you can publish a relevant shirt and publish it for a limited number of time. And you can make money off of these shirts. Now with Teespring, there's no upfront cost to you. You create the design. If you don't sell whatever your goal is, then they just don't print the T-shirt. But if they sell the number that your goal is, then you make a percentage of every sale. Okay, and Teespring handles all of the creation of the t-shirts and the shipping to every buyer. Okay, now what's cool about this tool is you can actually see all of the different t-shirt designs, what is selling, what's not selling. Okay, you can see the goals here, and it's automatic as it's finding more and more t-shirts, it's automatically sorting them by which t-shirts are selling the best. Okay, and you could also see price points. So maybe that can help you with what should I be pricing my t-shirts at. I can click on here and I can actually go to the Teespring campaign and view the shirt itself if I wanted to. Okay, I can see when the t-shirt was created. I can see if it's an active shirt right now that they're making sales, or if it's not. Okay. So this is just the Teespring research, and this is great for monetizing your fan pages, and there's tons of people just absolutely killing it, doing six figures sometimes a week on Teespring. So this is a great monetization tool. Now with retargeting, we have a retargeting app. Okay, what you need to do, so if you don't know what retargeting is, basically when someone clicks on your link or lands on your page, they get a cookie on their computer, and that means that you can remarket to these people as many times as you want to through Facebook. Okay, have you ever noticed when you go to a sales page or you go to a website that there's a banner or there's an ad that follows you around? Well, now you can do the exact same thing with Facebook retargeting. Okay, all you need to do is click on create new audience. Facebook provides you with a simple retargeting pixel. You just put in that retargeting pixel and say this was, for whatever. We have a product called Webinar Ignition, and say that this was on a squeeze page. We're driving people in to collect a lead. We put in the landing page of it and say that it's webinarignition.com/leads or whatever you want to call it. You put in that retargeting pixel, okay, and you click on save. And what happens is Social Kickstart provides you with whoops, let me you got to put in the retargeting pixel here. So what Facebook does is, what Social Kickstart does is it provides you with this unique link. Okay, now this link has your retargeting pixel automatically inside of it. So whenever someone clicks on this link, okay, they're going to go to the landing page here. Okay, and now you can set up a retargeting campaign inside of Facebook and only show ads, Facebook ads, to those people who are interested in whatever it is that you're promoting. Okay, because they clicked on your link, they've gone to the landing page. Maybe they didn't buy the first time, but the second, third, or fourth time they will. Okay, so retargeting is extremely powerful, and this is a nice way nice feature to remarket to those people. Okay. Now we also have the Facebook ad maker. Okay, the ad maker is something it's still in development right now. We should have it ready in just the next week or two. But what you can do is create a new Facebook ad, and you can use our image builder, and you can upload an image. You can put in text here. You can put in certain types of borders that you want to. It helps you to create viral Facebook images that you can use for advertising or for on your news feed to grab their attention. Okay. So it's super easy to use. We have this new image library where we're going to have different viral images. We're going to have t-shirt images that you can work off of. So say that you're promoting a Teespring campaign, you'll be able to go in and choose one of our t-shirt templates, and then you can modify it how you see fit. Okay, so this is a new feature. I just wanted to show you behind the scenes of one of the new tools that we're adding. Okay, we're going to continue to add more and more features as we build out the application. Now, the other thing that I wanted to show you guys was this user management section. Okay, this is extremely powerful because you can add you can add people to specific campaigns. So say that I wanted to add someone to, say that I have a virtual assistant, right? Or people who are helping me manage my Facebook marketing. Okay, I can click on Add New User. I can put in their email address, and I can go and select all the different campaigns that I want them to be able to have access to. Okay, once they have access, they're only going to have access to the campaigns that you allow them to. And now they can use the tools and features that are inside of Social Kickstart. So they can leverage this system, and you can scale out your Facebook marketing by allowing your virtual assistants or other staff to use the tool. So again, the core functionality of Social Kickstart is the ability to find content that goes viral very easily on other sources and then republishing it onto your site or scheduling it. Okay, and as I said, guys, we're adding more and more tools every single week based on your feedback. So now is the opportunity for you guys to jump in at a one-time lifetime fee without ever having to pay $99 per month to get access to this application. You'll get unlimited features that we add into the future and unlimited support.